Yes, sir. Good luck, man. Did you say they hate black people? I thought you said they hate black people. Oh shit, dude, this is slick as fuck. Yeah, I'm telling you. Oh, dude. Yeah. These pegs go all the way through, right? I don't trust myself out here. Dude, where's the fucking pegs on the outside? There's no pegs on the outside here. Probably just gonna chill here. Well, I mean, I could go higher. Holy shit. Yeah, I feel pretty comfortable here. I mean, I'm pretty close to the top. If I fall now, I have a pretty good chance of surviving. Well, because I'll land on the crossbars beneath me. Ow, fuck. What? Dude, my arm keeps hitting the fucking bars. I feel like they are electrified. No, dude, it is electricity running through it. What do you mean? The metal's still hitting the ground. I hope the rubber. Yeah. What? Yes, sir. I can kind of sit down here and just chill. I can hear it a little bit too. That's sketchy. Are you gonna try to beat your record as than the last time? Oh, he's just going higher. Apparently, he has a death wish. I mean, I have a death wish sitting up here right now. Dude, I honestly don't know why his GoPro is not turning on. Maybe it's too high of altitude. Dude, this dude's psycho. That dude's psycho. I'm surprised I can't see Houston from here. Oh. Cool. Going down's the hard part. Going down is the sketchy part. I don't imagine so. He said he wasn't too pleased when he saw that we were on the roof of the school. He thought you were a good kid.
I'm gonna dress mine with the latest fashion. Get a front door key to the Playboy mansion. Gonna pay to sell my name. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop bosses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat it. We'll hang out in the coolest bars and VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there. Every playboy bunny with a bleached blonde hair. And we'll hide out in the private rooms with the latest dictionary of today's who's who. They'll get you anything with that evil smile. Everybody's got a on speed now. Well, hey, I wanna be a rock star. I'm gonna sing those songs that abandon the senses. Gonna pop my from a past dispenser. Get washed up singing, writing all my songs. Lip sing 'em every night so I don't get 'em wrong. Well, we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop.
You said going to crossbars is easier? Well, that's what I'm talking about. I'm already down to the last peg. Just my feet slide for some reason. Leg breaking, but not dead, unless you land on your head. Oh, this is so much easier, honestly. My feet slide, so I can just literally slide down. Whoa! What it hit your knee?
That was a lot higher than I thought it was.
Yeah, it was. Good job, man.
Let me double check here.
Dude, I'm kind of pissed the GoPro didn't work. I was gonna take some good shots up there with it, but didn't work.